In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send money with Remitly. We'll walk through a complete transfer from start to finish so you know exactly what to click, what to enter, and what to double check along the way. By the end, you'll feel confident setting up a transfer without any surprises. First, open your browser and go to the Remitly website. On the homepage, look for the option to send money and click it. This takes you straight into the transfer flow where Remitly guides you step by step. You'll be asked where you're sending. Select the destination country from the list. This choice matters because the available delivery options, fees, and exchange rates depend on the country you pick. If you make a selection and want to change it at any point, use the Start Over option you'll see on the page. That button clears the current setup so you can begin again cleanly, which is handy if you picked the wrong country or delivery method by mistake. Next, choose to send to a new recipient. This opens fields to enter the details for a person you haven't sent to before. You'll see two key amount fields, you send and they receive. Type in the amount you plan to send, or if you have a specific amount the recipient should receive, fill in the they receive box instead. Remitly will update the other field automatically using the current exchange rate and show you any fees. Take a moment here to review the numbers. Small changes can affect the total cost. Now decide how your recipient will get the money. You'll see delivery methods based on the country you chose. Options often include bank deposit, cash pickup, and mobile money. Select the delivery method that fits your recipient best. If you choose mobile money, pick the correct provider from the list so the funds route to the right wallet. It's worth confirming your recipient's account is active and able to receive transfers, as some wallets have limits or verification requirements. Next, choose how you'll pay. You can select a payment method such as a debit or credit card depending on what's available to you. Make your selection and continue. Different methods can have different fees or processing times, so choose the one that balances speed and cost for your needs. Enter your recipient's name, starting with first name and then last name. It's important that this matches exactly how their name appears on their ID or bank account to avoid delays. When you're done, continue. You'll then add the recipient's phone number. This helps with delivery notifications and can be useful if the payout partner needs to contact them. Enter the full number with the correct country code and continue. You may see an offer or extra prompt at this point. If it's not relevant, choose no, thanks to keep moving. Now confirm your payment method. If you need to add a new card, select Add New Card, then continue to the card entry screen. Enter your card details carefully, card number, expiration date, and security code. Add your name exactly as it appears on the card, and fill in your billing address. The billing address should match what your bank or card issuer has on file, including the zip or postal code, to help ensure the payment processes smoothly. Take an extra moment here to confirm everything is accurate. Typos on card info are a common reason for failed payments. With payment set, click Review Details. This brings you to a summary of your transfer. Look over the destination country, delivery method, recipient name and phone number, your payment method, the exchange rate, fees, and the exact amounts you're sending and they'll receive. If anything needs changing, you can go back and adjust. When it all looks right, select Review Details again to proceed to the final confirmation screen. That's it. You've set up your transfer in Remitly from choosing the country, entering amounts, selecting delivery and payment methods, adding your recipient's details, and reviewing everything for accuracy. Pause on each screen long enough to confirm the information, and you'll have a smooth, reliable experience every time.